Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about a project file on women empowerment, and what are the things we should write for this project file is we should talk about the introduction, what is all about women empowerment and what are its benefit if we provide a women empowerment, and what are the importance of women empowerment we should talk about in the next paragraph. And in the another paragraph, we should also talk about what are the key components of women empowerment. It could be your education access, economic empowerment, or it could be health and well-being, and legal and political rights we should provide to the women. And also the next paragraph would be the transformative impact of women empowerment we should talk about. And we should also, as a last paragraph, we should also talk about a conclusion part. If we provide women empowerment, what all it impacts to the society across to the world, that we can call out as a conclusive part. So this is how you should write the project file on women empowerment.